I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's a sireno. It could be a federal signal. No, it's just a cue with a light, I think. Yeah, that's just a cue with a light.
Bro's got a freaking built-in bell.
Yeah, that's gotta be just a cue with a light.
Yeah. Here's the thing, the old gasoline smells amazing.
What is that? Yeah, this is definitely like Syracuse. Yeah, it is.
Bro's radiator fan is sticking out.
Bro, I can feel the heat coming off of the truck.
No, do not turn on that.
God forbid they growl a cue siren.
Well, hopefully they don't do it right here.
They're not even that loud. Especially when they're growling. Like at every parade they growl there.
Now this guy...
If I could like turn my brightness down maybe. There.
Plow trucks are having some technical difficulties.
I wonder what other fire departments they are. It's raining.
Raining?
Yeah. At least, well, I guess not at least, but like it's the first time in a while it's not snowing. My God, that thing is just loaded with lights over there.
Holy cow, bro bought the extra long pole for his radiator fan.
It's too late for anyone that has epilepsy.
Merry Christmas, guys. No problem.
There's their cues, there's lights. Still North Syracuse. Now this is a long one.
Yes, the ladder truck.
Yeah. I don't know what those spinny things are.
No, he was not.
That's kind of
So that makes it better.
Tasty.
it tastes so good.
Where the heck is the exhaust on these things?
I think it's right there, but I'm not sure.
No, that's
That might just be a water hookup.
Yeah, that is. Oh, bro's got his legs running. Now we got the yellow. Well, they got a freaking like.
That spinny thing is cool.
Yeah, they got a little.
Little sled, like in case of like extremely bad emergencies.
Damn, yellow like. It's nauseous stuff.
This is also North Syracuse.
Life is flashing before my eyes. Give me one. Well, this is the least. Oh, there it is. No, that might be very fast because it got warm when it came.
Yeah. Still North Syracuse. They got a lot of fire trucks in that garage. They have a lot of engines in there.
You could only see 3 though, is the thing. They must like tuck them. It must be like extra long.
Oh, they're just circling back to the fire department because the road's like right there. Fire department's right behind this building.
Yeah, after this cop car.
At the 7-Eleven. Because yes. And there is this. Yeah. Okay.
Bro's got his hazards on.
Yes. Bro has his hazards on.
His hazards are his freaking front lights. Not very good hazards.
Yeah, I might end the recording. Okay.